Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to download and install Trust Wallet on Windows 11 PC. So before getting started, make sure you subscribe the channel and press the bell icon while we upload a new video. You should be the first person to get the notification. So for installing the Trust Wallet, you need an emulator to install that and install the Trust Wallet on that. So in here I will open the browser. Once the browser opened, on the search bar type Nox Player. Here you can see Nox Player free Android emulator on PC and Mac. You can use the Nox Player for the Android and emulator to run the iOS or Android applications. So in here I will open this side. Here the side is Big Nox. You can see that the download is available here. Nox Player, the perfect Android emulator to play mobile games on this PC. So there are some features which you can use that on the Nox Player. In here I will click on the download button. You can see that it starts downloading, so I will start the download to download the Nox Player on my Windows 11 PC. So I will minimize this website. So you can see here the file size is 431 MB. So wait for this, it may take some time for the downloading. So here you can see that Nox Player successfully downloaded. So in here I will open the installation process. So click on the open. In here check the box of I have read and accept the Nox license agreement. So and click on the install button. The installation process may take some time, so be patient with installation process until it should be completed. Once the Nox Player successfully installed, click on the start button to launch its main window. And in here you can see that this the emulator which you can run the Android apps on this Nox Player on Windows PC. So in here I will click on the login option and log in with your Google Play address. Now in the first step you have to type your email address, like I will type my email address here. And in the next step you have to type your password. So now you can see that I am completely signed into the Google Play Store. So in here I will click on the search button. Once this window opened, on the search bar type Trust Wallet. Now here you can see that Trust Wallet, so click on that. Trust Wallet, crypto and Bitcoin wallet, so click on the install button to start downloading Trust Wallet on the Nox Player on Windows 11 PC. And now you can see the Trust Wallet is currently downloading on the Nox Player, so wait for the process. The actual size of Trust Wallet is around 16 MB, so this may take some time. Wait for the process, and when the Trust Wallet is successfully downloaded, automatically it will start installing on the Nox Player on Windows 11 PC. And you can see that Trust Wallet is successfully installed on the Nox Player. So I will click on the open option here. Here you can see there is two option: create a new wallet. I have already a wallet. If you have a wallet on the Trust Wallet, simply click on I already have a wallet. So in here you have to agree with the terms of service and click on the continue option. In here you can see that we have the option that to create a wallet on the Trust Wallet. So in the next video I will show you how to create a Trust Wallet on the Windows 11 PC. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If the video was useful, thumbs up the video, share your nice comments in the below down comment section. At last, support us to provide you more interesting videos about cryptocurrency.